Hello, good morning Cayman Prep students and remote learners. Here is another YouTube video on how to give some feedback or comments on your feedback. Okay, very simple. You've done it loads of times. A quick reminder: you find the email and you copy and paste it into your class notebook and answer the questions. So I've sent you an email. If you're not sure where it is, you can type my name in the top. It should bring up emails from me. And you'll see it's the latest one there. Double click in it or click on it to select it. There it is. You need to copy this. A quick way and an easy way of copying is to go at the bottom rather than trying to find where it starts at the top. It's easy to find the end, so you highlight it and just drag upwards all the way to the top of the email. That will make sure you get everything. Make sure it's all selected, so keep going up. Right hand click and copy. However you do copy, it's up to you. Then your class notebook. You should have maybe opened this earlier or have it open ready to paste. Find your name. Let's just use Andrews here. And you're going to go to the correct piece of work. We've been doing spreadsheets. Okay, it's already there. You may be having it left on databases. That's obviously the last piece of work. There's feedback there for databases. We need feedback now for the spreadsheets option. So you click on the spreadsheets. There's your lesson 1 and lesson 2, all your work that's been uploaded. You go to feedback log. As you can see, it's empty. Do not click in the title. If you click up here, it will not paste it correctly into the title. You click on the body, the big white part of the email. The cursor's flashing. You right hand click and just paste. Okay, there it is. You read your feedback. You can maybe make the table a bit wider, tidy this up any way you like. Read your feedback and answer the 2 questions on the bottom. Simple as that. The lesson links there are in blue, so you could click on those because they're hyperlinks. Say you're thinking, oh, what did we do for coding lesson? What did I do for lesson 3? Just click on the link, it will remind you. There's my comments there, my overall grade, the spreadsheet skills, talking about your work, the work I've seen, the work I've written into your comments there. You must then answer the questions in blue. There it is. What are the main reasons? The question there. Talk about remote learning and another question here. This one you need to do a bit of research on. If you're not sure, find out. I want a correct answer for this one. It's the next step, a higher level question. Comments in the bottom. Not hard to do. You write your comments, okay, how you feel, what you would like to say to me if I was stood next to you. Just write them there. Good English, good grammar. This is a permanent record of your feedback on your spreadsheets unit. Any questions, any problems, just email me, but please write things in here so I can see them, and I know you've done it. I can mark it as complete. Okay, keep working. Talk to you soon, and I'll be continuing remote learning after Easter on more online lessons. Try your best. Happy Easter.